77 onwards, I have been participating in various runs, but we did not have the luxury of this organized runs then. But now, after I come back to Hyderabad from 2005 onwards, when 10K and then NMDC runs, I've been part of that. And then as part of the Jagan's group, came into the Jagan group some time back, about 6 years back. And from then onwards, we've been participating across Mumbai Marathon, Delhi Marathon, and all these places. So this effort is a stupendous effort brought up by these people, and it wants to promote an active lifestyle, especially like Sir said. The way we are living today, the way we are molding our lifestyle is become very lethargic, very slow moving. That active part of the life is gone. The daily exercises have gone. So the major aim of this effort is to bring that active part of the life into the people and then make them moving and make them moving and make them moving, make them active. And though the NMDC, Hyderabad or Airtel marathons have been there, but the district level is something very, very important to bring it up. They're all happening on a random level, but Telangana Runners aims to bring all of them under one umbrella and keep conducting in a professional and in a very, very template-based runs, so that everyone can participate, both the people who can run on time, those people who wants to have a fun, everyone, including the ladies and the children, can also participate from all the districts of Telangana and make this a very, very, very celebrated event year after year. So I'm very happy to be part of this effort this year. And I'm wishing everyone, all the runners, I think more than 3,000 runners have registered. I see more than 2,000 people actively on the road today.
This is the first time we are organizing Telangana Run, first edition. Always the run will be cities names. This is the first time we are conducting a name with state name. Okay, this run is to promote the running throughout the state, Telangana state. We have 33 districts in Telangana. We are promoting it everywhere. This is the first edition and first time we are conducting Hyderabad. Next edition we are conducting Vikarabad. One more, and next edition we will be conducting Godavari River Marathon. And we have this first edition, we have 1,900 participants participating now, and we have categories 21 kilometers half marathon, that is called half marathon, and 10 kilometers time would run, and 5 kilometers time would run, 5 kilometers fun run, and we have, for beginners, we have 3 kilometers fun run. And this will be the first edition, and we started this organization in March itself. And before that, we conducted some supported runs we did in Miyapur and one more in Kamareddy. But whole and soul with the society. This is the NGO, Society for Telangana Runners, connecting with full support of our Telangana government.